What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start Shopify dropshipping. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, you better stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start Shopify dropshipping. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, any comments, or any opinions about what I'm discussing today in this video. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be some steps that you need to follow. And I'm going to show you all these steps that you need to follow so you can be successful doing Shopify dropshipping. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into these steps right about now. So number one, what you need to do is go to shopify.com and sign up. It's free to sign up. They give you a 14-day free trial, so you can go ahead and sign up and get ready to design your website. But you can't design it until you find a product. So that's number two. You need to find a product. And to find a product, all you have to do is go to AliExpress.com. And once you go there, go to AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Once you go there, you're going to see hundreds and hundreds of products that are trending, that are high value products, that are in high demand, that you can choose from. And after that, you pick the product that you want. Then you're going to go to the next step. So the next step is you're going to do some research on your product that's being sold by your competitors. So what you're going to do is just go to Google, type in the product name and .myshopify.com. And what's going to pop up is your product, whatever you're trying to sell or promote, with your competitor's name. And they're going to have all Shopify stores. So you can go there, check them out, look at the stores, see how much they're selling them for, see how they're got their whole website design and everything, how everything looks. And you want to try to model yours after them, but you make it a little bit different than theirs. And matter of fact, you can probably make it a little bit better, So it just really, for you can have some ideas about how to sell your product and see what they're doing to be successful selling that product. So after that, the next thing you can do is go to Instagram. So you can go to Instagram, go to the search bar, type in the name of the product, and a lot of stores are going to pop up with that same product. And you can see how much they're selling these products for, because they probably have a website on there that you can go to and look at. So you can see how much they're selling it for. You can look in their bio, see what they're saying. So it's another way you can find some good ideas on how to promote your product. All right. So after that, the last thing you need to do is promote it. So now this is what you're going to do to promote it. You're going to get some influencers from Instagram. Now, a lot of influence on Instagram. They promote products and services on their page. You know, especially the ones that's 200 to 300 has 200 to 300 followers, or maybe up to 1 million followers. They are doing a lot of promotion for not only themselves, but for other people and other businesses. So what you're going to do, look up an influencer, you know, and then you're going to DM those influencers and let them know, hey, I got this product I want you to promote. And here's 2 ways you can do it. You can ask them how much they're going to charge. But if you don't want to pay anything, you can say, hey, help me promote this product and I'll give you a percentage of it. Then y'all talk about the percentage, come up with a good percentage, and boom. If y'all agree to it, go from there. And they can start promoting your product. So the last thing, that's the last step. But the last thing you got to have already set up is your Shopify account. And once your Shopify account has all the designs on there, if you don't want to do it yourself, you can always go to Fiverr.com and Fiverr, and you have people, freelancers on Fiverr, that will set up your Shopify account for maybe $10, $20, $30. They'll go ahead and, you know, set it up for you if it's real easy, not that many pages and everything. They can probably do it for $20, $30. So if you don't want to do the design, you can hire somebody to do that. If you want to do it yourself, or you can save money, you can go ahead and set up yourself. It's real easy. So after you set it up, you go to the influencer and say, hey, everything's set up, start promoting my product. And boom, that's it. That's all the steps you need to do. You got your drop shipping business going on Shopify. All right, guys. Now, if you don't know anything about Shopify and you want to know how to set up a Shopify account and the website and everything, I'll go ahead and show a video about that, because I had a Shopify account and a Shopify website, and I can show you how to set everything up. But if you want me to do that, I need at least 500 likes. If I get 500 likes, that means I may need to get 500 views. If I get 500 likes, I'll make a video showing you how to set up your Shopify account. Okay, guys, that's it. That's it. Thank you for tuning in. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get, of course, 500 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method and these steps on setting up a Shopify drop business account or business. And please drop that comment down below when you see the code word. So drop that code word down below in the comment section so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help people I can to make money online and become their own boss and financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. In this case, every day. All right, guys. Thanks again, Grind family. I really appreciate you guys' support. Keep supporting me, and I'm going to keep dropping these videos and giving away this free money. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Deuces. Get your grind on.